Day off ni asawa ngayon guys, kaya aalis kami, magkakain kami sa labas. Tapos sana hindi ako susama kasi nga mayroon akong ubo. Kagabi, grabe, buminom ako ng gamot kagabi. Biglang ang bilis kong nakatulog. Tingnan niyo yung boses ko iba kasi nga may ubo ako. Uminom na ako ng Mucinex. At ano pa yung isa yung pinainom sa akin ni asawa. Basta uminom na ako nun. Tapos aalis na kami guys. Ready na si Sawyer. Kumakain siya ng chichirya oh. Sawyer, say hi guys.
Hi. Mali.
I know. Sobrang mahangin. Suot naman yung kanyang Under Armour. Favorite talaga niya yan. Seems like it's Sawyer. Ayan.
He needs to be
Yeah.
here that he won't.
You want rice? Will it see?
I'm not going to monitor
What is this?
it. That's regular chocolate. It's so creamy.
For the two of them, I like this one better. It's good. May let's see. I'll try that, Shelton.
That's like homemade.
Ooh, it's good. Kahit may ubo, kain pa rin ng ice cream. Malapit na maubos kay Shelton, oh.
Alright, we have to figure out where we're going to put the basin. I think the best place is right
Over there? Okay. Kagaling lang namin ng Costco, guys. At bumili kami ng Shark Vacuum. Yan yung aming binili doon. Yan. Yan. Para hindi na ako magbabacuum. At mayroon nang magbabacuum para sa akin. Ang robot na vacuum, guys. Tapos bumili ako ng multigrain na loaf para sa kanilang grilled cheese. Tapos 2 pack ng ganito, guys, ang binili ko. Pero nilagay ko na sa kabilang refrigerator. Tapos 2 ganito din na itlog. Ano na rin sa refrigerator sa labas. Tapos turkey breast ni asawa. Mango, strawberry, 2 pack ng strawberry, 2 galon ng milk, tapos guacamole ni asawa, hindi ko alam kung masarap ba to, 2 bulldog na spicy na ramen kasi gusto nila ni Sam at saka ni Shelton. Tapos itong snack ni Sawyer. Ito na yung another pack ng mango, strawberry, tapos Fuji na apple, tapos pears ulit, tapos itong sugar beets na apple. At 6 na bag ng, 6 na bag ng orange. Doon kami bumili guys sa yan. Doon kami bumili guys sa Harmons dahil sa Costco ay hindi siya easy peel kasi yung orange na yun is easy peel. Mabilis lang siya balatan. Tapos strawberry. Ito, 2 box ng ganito guys ang binili namin kasi balak namin magpapa box papuntang Pinas. Ito yun guys, lagay ko sa box. Ito. Yan, 2 ganito. Tapos 1 box na ganito, tsaka 1 ganito. Mahal to siya sa Pinas, guys. Kaya bumili na ako. Kasi on sale sila, mga $11 ang 1 ganito. Tapos 24 pack pa ang laman nito. So, madami. Pasalubong ko na rin yung iba. So, yun lang, guys. Ang aming nabili sa Costco. Hindi marami kasi nga. Last week, nakapag-grocery naman kami.
One of them of the tank. I'm
So, ayan. Ang robot vacuum.
What does that yellow thing say? Pull this sticker before use. Pull that sticker.
Nice.
The box we will hold on to for at least a month or two until we make sure we like it.
Yep. Just put it in the top of the
Put it in
fridge.
the garage, yeah. Okay, so remove all plastic.
Hindi namin alam kung maganda ba to siya na robot na vacuum.
Make sure the base is not ever in direct sunlight.
Oh, the sunlight there.
And make sure, well, not to keep the curtain closed.
Yeah. True.
Just be careful. I don't know what all this is. You're taking stuff out. So,
Allah.
you sure the base is not in
You don't
direct
have to check,
sunlight?
just leave it all in there. It's just a
Place the base against the wall and plug it in. Okay, so we'll do that first.
Is it heavy or no? Dad, should I open this? 'Cause I can put
Where's the coin at?
Why the milk is not in the fridge? No one put the milk in the fridge? Huh? Who took it out? Get it.
You took it out.
I mean, I handed to someone. I handed to you.
There?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I open this? That's where it's going.
Alright. They know what to do, Sophie.
Oh yeah, hindi na kung vacuum siya ng vacuum, guys.
Okay.
There's no Wi-Fi button on those, is there?
It's not purple.
Ayan.
It's just going in the same pattern. Steph, what are you doing?
Turn the power off.
Move, Sawyer.
Turn the power off. Okay, let it go back. Let's see if it goes back to its room.
It's like you have a pet dog or
Move
something.
that box over so I can see
I
it.
think it is going back to its own. Yeah. What's it doing?
What happened?
Oh yeah, it's turning around. It's going in slow. I think it's getting where its home is.
It's going to...
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's going to its home. You just press that button and it goes.
Got a mouse
Yes,
before,
hindi na
so-
kung vacuum. Yan na lang ang vacuum.
So it's straight. Oh! It lifted.
Oh, shucks, I can't see.
Oh, what the heck? It lifted up. Yeah. That's crazy!
Let it figure out. Is that blue stuff in the way? No, that blue stuff was already there, wasn't it?
It's getting mad, I think. It's like trying to get straight. It looks like it's mad. Or yeah, it's getting straight now. Yeah. I think it was getting mad, so it's
Not straight, the house.
it's trying to go straight. It just lifted up. I think
Those
that's it.
blue
Yeah,
things
that's it.
are supposed to be there, right?
Yeah. There we go.
Perfect.
There we
Wow.
Okay. Is the
Smart.
Wi-Fi light on?
Ay, nakapagod guys. Galing kami sa Walmart. Dahil namili kami ng ilalagay sa dalawang box na to. So, ito yung ilalagay namin. Mga noodles. Ayan. Tapos, spaghetti noodles. Ito mga, mostly guys, mga snacks lang. Yan. Ito pa. Yan, mga snacks. Yan, ito. Papadala ko to kasi nga masarap to siya sa salad. Yan. Masarap yan siya sa salad. Tapos ito naman kay asawa to. Yung almond niya, yung okra. Kay asawa to. Mahal to siya guys. Oh. Kahit great value lang to. Walmart na brand. Ang mahal. Yan. Ito pa. Yan, hindi to kasama. Ilalagay sa box sa asawa ko to. Para sa kanyang salad. Tapos ito, yan. Yan. Spaghetti noodles. itong mga noodles ito. May more snacks pa. Tapos yung can na tawag dito, kernel whole corn. Yan yung toothpaste. Mga toothpaste to siya. Tapos ito yung peanut butter. Tapos, ayan guys, oh. Yan. Except lang sa orange ha. Hindi yan kasali. Yan. Candies. Ayan. Ito pa yung sa pancake. Syrup ng pancake. Ayan. Yan. Tapos, another snacks. Yan. Tapos, isang malaking bag ng ano, ng pancake mix. Yan. So, yan ang ilalagay natin dito sa box na to para ipadala sa Pinas. Ito hindi siya kasali kasi wala naman yung Keurig. Nescafe doon, okay na. Tapos itong mga to, yan, snacks. Ito, yan, ang ipapadala ko doon sa Pinas. So, mag-ano muna ako guys, lagay muna ako ng mga ipapadala ko sa Pinas. Tapos ko rin guys, napaos ako kasi mayroon akong ubo. Natapos rin yung aking paglalagay sa mga pinamili namin kanina para sa Pinas. So ayan yung isa. Tapos na yan, puro yan mga pagkain. Tapos ito naman, hindi pa tapos kasi bibili pa ako ng kailangan para ilagay doon sa box. So, tapos na rin ako guys, maglinis dito. So, yan yung mga yan. Nadalhan niya ni asawa bukas para sa kanyang office. Tapos, nalinis ko na rin dito. Ayan, malinis na. At saka yung dining malinis na rin. At hindi na ako mag-map dahil tutulungan ako ni Sharky guys. Mag-map at mag-vacuum. Siya na mag-vacuum ito at saka mag-map. So, mabilis na lang yung trabaho ko kasi hindi na ako mag-map at hindi na rin ako mag-map at vacuum. Siya na ang gagawa niyan. So, yun lang guys. So, ayan na si Sharky guys. Ayan na si Sharky guys. O, nag-start na siya mag-vacuum. May taga-map na ako at saka taga-vacuum. Hindi na ako mag-map. At mag-vacuum. Siya na. Sherry. Nabili namin sa Costco kahapon. Nagutom si Sawyer. Oh. Yummy, Sawyer? Nagutom si Bossing Sawyer.
He keeps giving